This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Trygar. Stunning 4-bed/2.5 bath custom home in highly sought after Mirasol. Open floor plan featuring 9 feet ceilings on both first and second floors, 5-inch hand scraped hardwood throughout first floor and stairs, coffered ceilings and LR, gourmet kitchen with gas stove/granite countertops/ and large pantry mudroom area. Primary suite with tray ceilings, large walk-in closet, and jetted tub. Many more upgrades to see, will not last long. Special financing incentives available on this property. For more information, review the details below or contact Trygar at 757-470-1139.